Well, today we're here to talk about Bear. Bear isn't a bear. Bear is the name of a golden retriever husky mix that saved his owner's life. Yeah, he did. And the headline is Bear performed CPR on his owner who had a cardiac arrest. It was about 2 years ago in the middle of the night. He suffered a massive heart attack, which medical people call a widowmaker. Darren's wife recalls being awoken by Bear, who had come upstairs to alert her. Concerned, she followed her downstairs, found Darren, her husband of 35 years, unconscious on the family room floor. I came down and the dog had jumped all over the couch and onto Darren, and I said, "Holy crap." She called 911. Paramedics quickly arrived and rushed Darren to the hospital in Sudbury, where the doctors confirmed he experienced one of the most severe forms of heart attack. He was later hospitalized, went through surgery, and ultimately his life was spared. Amazingly, the doctor said that he wouldn't have survived unless Bear hadn't stepped in with his unique form of CPR. I remember coming around, he says, after he recovered. He was on my chest. He wasn't even trained to do it. He just did it. He was actually on the man's chest, jumping up and down on his chest. And the doctor said, yeah, this is the thing. This is a real thing. This very likely kept enough circulation going so he was able to survive. Pretty amazing story. Dottie, you hear that? I'm not sure she does. She's even a little hidden. She's looking at me, though. Did you hear that story? Jump on my chest? No, not so much. Anyway, I thought that was a great story. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on tomorrow's.